Hi everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 268, missing number. So it is a very simple problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we'll be using, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. And the code will be just of 2 lines. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay. So basically you have to find out a missing number from a range. Okay. So this problem can be solved using multiple methods. For example, you can what you can do is you can find out the whole range of numbers and put it in a set and convert the given array into a set, and you can do the subtraction. So the resultant will be the missing number. But what I am gonna do, and it will be an extension of it will be like a more optimized solution where we will be using no extra space, and it will be in order of n time runtime, order of n of runtime complexity. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a mathematical approach to solve this problem, and to do that, what I will be doing, so there is a property. If you have n natural numbers, so the sum of n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is a property, and you can check that out. For example, let's take uh, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's try to sum up some, normally manually. 4 3 7 7 2 9 and 1 10. Okay, now let's put it in this equation. We'll have what 5 into 5 plus 1 is 6. Wait, sorry, 0 is not a natural number. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Just a sec. Okay, so now we have 4 into 5 by 2. Where is it? Sorry, 4 into 5 by 2. Okay, so this will be 10 only. Okay. And you can check for other number, like other ranges as well. So this is the formula which we'll be using, and to do that, what I'll do, so my n will be what, length of this array. So n will be length of array. So in this example it will be what, 3. Okay, now what I'll do, I will check what is the sum, like sum of n natural numbers. Okay, and the range I already know of n natural numbers. So 3 into 3 by 2. Okay, and I will subtract out the nums sum of nums. Okay, so now this will end up being what, 1.5 into 3 is, am I doing something wrong? Oh yeah, sorry, it will be 4. It will be 4, my bad, excuse me, sorry for this, guys. So 3 into 4 by 2, and it will be 2. 6 minus 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer is 2. Okay, so this is the approach which we'll be using. Let's check out the code for the same, and it's going to be very simple code. So as you can see, what we're doing over here, I have figured out the number of elements in the given array, and we will be using that to calculate the formula of sum of n natural numbers. Okay, I have type converted into int, because when you divide any number, it will give you float, and any operation performed on float will yield a floating number, and the result was expected in an integer. So that's why I have explicitly converted it into int. Now we have the formula for n natural numbers. I am subtracting out the sum of the given array. Whatever the answer is will be the missing number. Let's check out the test cases. And as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation now. Awesome. So the solution got accepted, and as you can see, we have performed fairly well on runtime and on memory side as well. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching other videos. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.